Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the best Halloween Cauldron Candy Bowl Plastic Black Witch Pot, the DIYDEC 8-inch Halloween Large Cauldron. This is a must-have for anyone looking to add that perfect spooky touch to their Halloween party setup or trick-or-treat decor. Let's start with what you get. The DIYDEC Large Cauldron measures about 7.9 inches wide and 5.3 inches deep, giving you plenty of space for candies, chocolates, or even creative party treats. It comes in a classic black color with sturdy rope handles, making it easy to carry around for trick-or-treating or party games. The brand even includes a ghost decoration as a fun bonus, giving it that extra Halloween flair. Now, the design really stands out. The cauldron is simple yet eye-catching, a traditional witch kettle look made with durable, polished plastic that's safe, smooth, and long-lasting. There are no holes at the bottom, which means it can hold just about anything you throw in: candies, small toys, or even dry ice for a smoky cauldron effect. It's designed to handle imaginative use, whether you're setting it up for kids or as a spooky prop at your event. The quality of this plastic pot is what makes it worth highlighting. It's made from premium-grade plastic that resists fading and cracking, so you can reuse it year after year. Whether it's stored away for next Halloween or used for other themed events, it's built to last. It's lightweight, easy to clean, and the polished finish gives it a professional look without rough edges or cheap seams. One of the biggest advantages of the DIYDEC Cauldron is its versatility. Beyond Halloween, you can easily repurpose it for St. Patrick's Day parties as a pot of gold centerpiece, or use it for treasure hunts, kids' games, or even as a prop in cosplay events. Its simple, functional design means you're not limited to one season of fun. Imagine this on your Halloween table filled with candy, smoke spilling out from dry ice, or sitting by the doorway welcoming trick-or-treaters. You can even use it as a prop for witches' brew displays, haunted house setups, or as a party favor bucket for guests to fill up with treats. The possibilities really are endless with this cauldron. So, if you're preparing for a Halloween party or just want that extra touch of spooky charm, the DIYDEC 8-inch Halloween Large Cauldron is a fantastic choice. It's durable, practical, reusable, and perfectly themed to fit any Halloween setup, from fun family events to eerie adult parties. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're looking to elevate your Halloween decor this year, definitely check out the DIYDEC 8-inch Black Witch Cauldron Candy Bowl. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss our next product breakdown. See you next time on Product Critique, where we help you find the best items for every occasion.